Hey guys, and welcome to the third part of Top Excel Hacks. In this session, we're going to talk about checkbox, secret feature in Excel. Let's see together. By knowing this method, you will be able to solve most of the problem in Excel. For example, in this attendance sheet that you can see, a lot of people use this thing here. But instead of that, you can use checkbox. But do you know how? If you search in this tab, there you cannot see any checkbox here. But how to find it? First of all, click on this customize, and in here click on more commands. In this part, click on customize ribbon, and in here check the developer, click on OK. And now you can see from this menu tab there is a new tab by the name of developer. If you open it, there is an option by the name of insert. If you click in here, you can see that a lot of new things have just appeared in here. Like there you can have checkbox or whatever. Let's see how to use them. Clean this part, click on insert, checkbox, draw that checkbox here, clean this text, and now drag it to all of these things here, all of these cells, and now drag it down up to the end. Yes, take a look here. It is so easy for people when they want to check or uncheck like this. But if you want to clean any part of them, it would be really hard for you. Like you should right click, press the delete. Okay, but there is a way that you can delete them. Select this part, press Ctrl+G, click on special, click on objects, click on OK. Let's take a look. And if you press the delete, all of them would disappear. And it was this from this session. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please smash the subscribe button and do not miss our next videos. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next one. Good luck.